Where are you? What do you do?
Okay, okay. Before moving forward,
No
we
need to
would
give a detailed introduction. You just mention
okay,
what do you do and where you
briefly, I
belong.
would like to briefly I would like to share you. So as you know, my name is Ghanin Bhadwas, and I'm calling you from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I've just recently I've completed my graduation, and if I talk about my hobbies are playing cricket and listening to the music.
Okay, that's it. And you are running your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I am running a YouTube channel, but these days I'm not consistent enough, so that's why I'm not uploading videos.
Okay, what is the reason?
The reason is there is no proper reason for that. Actually, I'm in my comfort zone, so that's why it is making me
Laziness.
difficult for uploading videos over there. But somehow I am dragging myself into uncomfortable zone. Actually, I'm coming out of my comfort
Comfort
zone.
zone. Hmm.
I'm trying to come out of my comfort zone, and yeah, actually I've recorded recently I've recorded videos, to just upload videos on my YouTube channel. So of course, soon I'm going to upload videos on YouTube.
But in this day you are not uploading.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so how many session do you do in a single day? It means how many session do you practice?
Uh, 3 to 4, averagely 3 to 4.
3 to 4. All are audio call. Also, it means video call.
It depends basically because if I want to upload videos on YouTube channel, that time
The
I do video call. Otherwise, I prefer to have audio
audio
call.
call. Hmm. So my next question is, what do you do to enhance your language? What are you doing in these days? You are working
These days,
anything?
I'm just working. These days, I'm just working on my two methods. Basically, first is just speaking. I try to open myself to the strangers. I'm trying to interact with the people, strangers. And the second thing is just listening and try to listen to the English content as much as
Mhm.
I can do. Just bombard my brain to the from the English content. So that is helping me a lot.
Okay, so how many hours do you spend on social media? It means online.
Social media. Okay, if I talk about online, yeah, it's almost every day. Entire day. But if I talk
Entire
about
day.
the social media, yeah,
Hmm.
almost, yeah. Okay. But if I talk about the social media, I don't use any social media application apart from WhatsApp and YouTube. Mostly
Okay.
I
You
use
don't use
YouTube.
Insta, Facebook.
I have an account on Instagram, but sometimes if I just feel kind of boring, if I'm getting bored of so many things, so at that time I install Insta and just for 5 to 6 days, to
Then you.
relax my just to relax.
Okay, but it
Yeah,
means you are not a
I,
regular on Insta.
yeah. I just use YouTube and WhatsApp only.
User WhatsApp. Okay. So what do you think? Instagram, it's a distracting place, I can say.
Yeah, course, of course. Like on YouTube, what is advantage is that you have the long videos as well as the short videos. And but
Hmm.
on Insta, there are only short videos
Shorts
and
video.
memes and funny and every kind of videos you can watch there. Uh, but on YouTube, it is kind of more professional, I would say. Like you can watch educational videos as well, informative videos as well. But on Insta, you just go there to just entertain yourself, and
Entertaining.
you just
Most of
watch.
the entertaining, I can say. Vegetating stuff. Yes. You just
I
easily
don't
get
get any kind of
distract with others.
informative videos over there. So that's why I avoid using Instagram.
Okay, good habit, good thing I can say. Because when we are just open the Instagram and we're not able to like feel how am I like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, sometimes 1 hour. We just spend on
Right.
scrolling the videos. So it's a very bad thing. We just
Definitely.
wasting our time, I can say. So no need to use, no need to watch because whatever you are watching, you feel like that, and our mind
Right.
suddenly distract of those stuff. Okay,
Or
so.
these days, social comparison is going on these days on social media. Like we try to compare ourselves to the others by just watching their pics and all that. So I just try to avoid that. That's why I don't download Instagram and Facebook.
Okay, that's
I just have
so.
only.
What's your daily routine? You want to explain it in English?
Yeah, so absolutely. I would like to explain. Actually, I am these days, as I earlier told you that I have recently completed my graduation. So these days I'm just preparing for my job interviews, and along with that, I have conversations so that I can enhance my personality, communication, or English as well. So most of the time. I mean, my most of the time goes into my job preparation and English, Or earlier, I have mentioned that I spend almost my entire day on my mobile or YouTube. So this is just because like I have to do my job preparation, and along with that, I watch some English content. So in watching that, my when my like my whole day goes in that, and I don't even realize that my when my day has gone. I was just watching the
You only because of social media, yes. So you are preparing any kind of interview or examination?
yeah, both you can say like
You crack
it's
any
basically
exam?
an interview. No, I haven't cracked any exam. Just interview like I just want to become a software engineer. I'm just preparing for that. There is no
Hmm.
exam for that as such, but there is an interview. So I have to just clear that interview. There are 2 to 3 rounds over
Interview.
there. So
So have you ever faced? Yeah, this is your first time you are going to
I
give interview.
I faced like
Oh, so how was?
when I was
Hmm.
in
Go ahead.
my third year, I faced a few.
Oh, so how was your experience?
Experience was kind of horrible for me. Like it was my first interview, and as well as I was kind of introvert at that time, So and
Okay.
even that at that time I didn't have quite good knowledge about the English language, so I barely can speak. So uh, as you know, like almost all the interviews are conducted in English language. Uh,
Hmm.
but like I was quite fortunate enough. I was quite lucky enough that interviewers allowed me to speak in
Your mother
any
tongue.
language.
Oh,
Yeah, like in any
okay.
language you want,
Any
in
language.
Hindi or
Okay.
English. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I just preferred speaking both the languages. I try to speak English and as well as English. Yeah.
Okay. So, what is the most horrible parts at that? It means your past interview. What do you feel like? No, I have to improve this area, like way of speaking, body language, body gesture, eye contact.
Actually, I was poor in all the things. I was not
All.
good at it, and even now I feel I have to mend so many things. I have to yeah, I have to improve so many things right now even. But at that time it was even worse, like worse than now. So yeah, my way of speaking, pronunciation or English was very poor. So
Because at that time you had an option, you can choose your mother language. It means your native language, whatever you're
yeah,
speaking. So you usually go with the Hindi language at that time.
I, I,
Okay. But
And
while
it was the
speaking
first time
Hindi,
to
you
me. Like,
faced like I'm not able to complete my question in my own native language. So why? Because you are underconfident.
I was, yeah, of course. Like I was underconfident, and I was getting very nervous at the time. Like, imagine a situation that guy who never faced public speaking, or two to three people at a time. Like there were two to three people were sitting in front of me, and I was along
Hmm.
at my side, and they were asking questions in Hindi. It was
Everyone
like
give an
they,
interview along. You
it
will
was
no
like
go with
they
your friends, family. You have to face alone. Alone.
right. Yeah, yeah. I'm saying that like imagine that situation. It was like they are interrogating about a crime. I was very nervous. So, but
Oh.
I somehow managed to speak, and it went well. I think like
So after the interview, you got your feedback.
sorry.
When you completed your interview part, you got a feedback from the interviewer.
Yeah, I got, and that's why I started my English journey. They just said like you need to, focus upon your English and communication skills. And from that day on, I started, working on my spoken English. Yeah, and I started my YouTube channel too.
Okay. So now you feel when next time when you will go, you will feel very confident and whatever they ask, you will able to give a answer in a proper way.
Yeah, I can perform way better than before. I'm sure.
Before answer. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, if you want to ask there anything else, then you can go because
Please
lots of
say,
question I asked. Mhm.
yeah, exactly. So, how's your practice going on?
Yeah, it's going nice. I don't think it's not going well. It's going well.
Okay. I think you are quite regular. I just went through your, YouTube channel, and I just saw you are quite regular. You upload videos, I think, almost every day.
Hmm. You can say that, yes. Now, because earlier it was lots of fluctuation, not only uploading the video, but in my personal practice times, I'm not able to give a proper time for my work. It means whatever I'm doing, because there are lots of reasons, lots of things, ups and downs, and not able to maintain. Sometime I,
Uh,
it's my personal things. So I feel like now I am feeling better, and I have to maintain this consistency. Anyhow, I try to maintain like because
exactly.
it's very
I can relate
important.
it. I can
It's
relate.
very
Like,
important.
that's great. You made a comeback. That's very good. And I also had, a very long gap. I think 2 months of gap. After months of gap, I made a comeback. Now, like just 3 days ago, restarted my journey. So,
Actually,
yeah,
when you
that was
left now, you will feel like I don't know anything. I have to start from zero. Yes, and you will feel a start like what I'm doing. I'm underconfident. I have to go or not. There are lots of questions in our mind, and we just
right,
feeling negative. Why? There are lots of why in our mind. So we should maintain consistency. We should
right,
work on daily basis.
right. You're right, actually. And I think gaps are very worst, dangerous. You should not, take gaps between your English and I would say, like 1 day or 2 days gap is okay. If you're
It's
getting
okay,
some
yeah. Hmm.
any problem, that's fine. Like,
Even if you will left your work 1 week, then the you will feel the same feeling.
but
Hmm?
after if increase to 3 to 4 days, then you go into your comfort zone, and then it becomes very
Yes,
difficult
yeah. And
to
we will
get
become what we say laziness. We feel like it's okay. I will
dull,
do
kind
tomorrow.
of
I
dull.
start postponing our work. Hmm?
Yeah, exactly. We
So,
become dull.
hmm. And we start our postponing the work. I say, okay, I will start next day, and in this way we become habitual, and then start feeling demotivated, and lots of doubt create in our mind, and start
Exactly.
comparing. That is the main, I think, main reason we start feeling demotivated. I start comparing with those people, they are doing practice regular basis. They are doing lots of hard work. We don't know how much efforts they are putting to learning this language. We just show their art screen. It means on the screens part.
Yeah,
We
exactly.
don't know their behind a screen work.
Yeah, we don't know their behind the story. We can say like,
Yes.
how they are struggling, how they are managing to being so
And we
much
start
consistent.
comparing and we feel like why my English is not improving. Still I am where I was started. At the same time I feel like, so no, it's not true. We have to maintain consistency. We have to learn. We have to do your work every day. What I feel like.
Right. That's great. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Can I wind up the session?
Exactly. Okay.
Okay.
Absolutely. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.